Hey guys, it's Ashley, and I'm at our newest listing, 720 Biltmore Drive. I am so excited to show it to you guys and feature it. It is a custom-built home. There are 3 garages here. Also, there is a 4th garage downstairs as well. When you go inside this home, you're going to notice it's very light and airy. Lots of tall ceilings, lots of woodwork. The kitchen is very open, has a big, beautiful hood above the gas range. Also, countertops are gorgeous. The pantry doors are old elevator doors that were brought to Jefferson City from St. Louis, a condo with the very first elevator in it. On the main level, you also have a master suite. Upstairs, you have 3 bedrooms and you have 2 bathrooms upstairs. Huge bonus room, wonderful backyard. I am so happy that you guys get to see this home, so come on in, take a look inside.